Tired of seeing that live payments are not enabled error when you're trying to get paid? Let's walk through the steps to resolve this, so you can start accepting real payments. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. You'll typically see a prominent banner at the top prompting you to activate your account. Click on the Activate Your Account button, or look for a similar prompt. This will take you to the account activation page. Here, you'll need to provide detailed information about your business. This usually includes your business type, legal name, address, and employer identification number if you're in the US. Next, you'll need to provide information about yourself. As the account representative, this often includes your name, date of birth, home address, and social security number if you're in the US. Crucially, you need to add your banking details. Stripe needs this to deposit the money you collect from your customers. Ensure you enter the correct routing and account numbers. Provide a clear and concise description of your business and your website address. This helps Stripe understand what you do and reduces the risk of fraud. Be prepared to upload documents to verify your identity and your business's legitimacy. This could include a copy of your driver's license, passport, or business registration documents. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure your documents are accepted. After submitting all the required information and documents, Stripe will review your application. This process can take a few days. Once approved, your account will be activated, and you'll be able to process live payments. And that's it. You can now successfully start processing live payments and get paid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.